Vietnam, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Join us as we explore the top 10 destinations that make Vietnam a traveler's paradise. Number 1. Hanoi, the capital of elegance. Hanoi, the heart of Vietnam, is known for its elegant French colonial architecture, bustling markets, and tranquil lakes. The old quarter's narrow streets are lined with shops, offering a glimpse into its historical charm. Number 2. Halong Bay, a natural wonder. Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a surreal seascape of emerald waters dotted with thousands of limestone cars. Take a cruise to explore hidden caves and witness the magic of this natural wonder. Number 3. Hue, the Citadel of Emperors. Hue, a city steeped in history, was once the imperial capital. The majestic imperial city, with its ornate palaces, pagodas, and forbidden purple city, offers a glimpse into Vietnam's royal past. Number 4. Hoi An, the lantern-lit town. Hoi An enchants with its well-preserved ancient town, where lanterns illuminate the cobbled streets at night. Stroll along the the⁴the River, explore centuries-old architecture, and immerse yourself in the town's rich heritage. Danang boasts stunning beaches and the Marble Mountains, a cluster of 5 limestone hills with hidden caves and Buddhist sanctuaries. It's a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Before moving forward, please subscribe our channel. It will give us unlimited motivation to make videos. The Mekong Delta, known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, is a labyrinth of waterways, floating markets, and lush rice paddies. Explore the delta's unique ecosystem and experience the local way of life. The Cu Khai Tunnels, a testament to Vietnam's resilience, offer a fascinating insight into the underground network used by the Viet Cong. During the Vietnam War, walk through the tunnels and learn about their history. This national park is home to some of the world's largest and most spectacular caves, including Son Doong, the largest cave on the planet. Explore this underground wonderland and witness nature's masterpiece. Sapa, nestled in the Hom Lean Sun Mountain Range, is known for its stunning terraced rice fields and vibrant hill tribe cultures. Hike through the picturesque landscapes and experience the warmth of the local communities. Con Dao Islands, an archipelago off Vietnam's southern coast, offer unspoiled beaches, crystal clear waters, and a history of struggle and preservation. Explore this hidden gem for a tranquil escape. These all places are must visit, but if you break these rules in Vietnam, you can get arrested. Video is very interesting, click to watch.